Assalamu alaikum. This is Walid Rahman. Today I am come with a new topic called SEO. Usually I am doing SEO for my client, for my blog. So I'm just want to tell you guys, whoever wants to learn SEO in 2025. So I have some recommendations. So it might help you, I think. So whoever want to learn SEO, my recommendation is go for the expert. It's much video inside the YouTube. So if you find you don't need to buy course or something like that, but if you want to buy course, this is your matter, or it's all up to you. But my recommendation is, if you want to learn SEO, go for the expert who is in this who is doing this SEO for 20 or 15 or 10 years. So go with them. There is lots of free video from the Ahrefs, SEMrush, Backlinko, the lot of expert, whoever providing paid service, they all have free. Even Google have his free course set. So that's the thing. I believe you don't need to buy course or something like that. So my point, or my recommendation will be, you must have to know the components, how it works, how in search engine actually works, then go for the SEO. So how search engine actually works, the short way to know that. So there is no short way, but I must say there is pretty short way to know how search engine works. So first you have to understand the Google algorithm, actually how Google algorithm work. In the description below, I will share a link. So all the Google update. So from before the 2000 and till now, all the update. So I will explain where the update focus, where this update working mechanism actually work for that update, the adjustment requirement, the lots of things, the date, the update name, whatever. So as usual, if you find for it, you will not get easily, because they will show you just 7 or 8 update. So okay, that's not my topic. So before the learn SEO component, so you must have to know what the SEO types, then what kind of tools you need, how it's tools charts, then what's the actually main component of the SEO. So my recommendation is, please go for it, guys. So before the learn SEO, then as usually you will think, after the learn SEO or before the learn SEO, how actually it works. Then we will know the, the buyer trend, then you will know the marketing funnel, then you will know the what is organic and what is paid marketing, etc., etc., how to make a content. There is lots of model, and how to make the topical authority. And there is mix in bag. And after that, you have to know the, website error, how website error is works, local SEO, how you have to make the report for your client. There is so many things after the website error, how we'll make the report. So there is lots of inside the bag you have to know. This is not all about the SEO website things, how to make a content, how to write a content, how to make a content outline to provide the writers. So SEO is just not a SEO is not just the search engine optimization. Inside this all, get inside a bag, and then a fruits will come, the sweet fruits. It's called rank number one. Any kind of search engine, could be Google, could be DuckDuckGo, could be Yahoo, could be whatever it is, the Pipilika inside our Bangladesh search engine, whatever. Before learn it, so must go for them who actually know the SEO, who just who not not only know the SEO, know the website things, the content. So all of you, wish you all the best for 2015, and best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.